Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply the Hollywood filter to your selfie on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should select the picture that you would like to edit. Click on the impression button down below in the left side corner of the screen. And after that, click on the second option, which is Hollywood 2. As you can see, the photo is being processed, so the filter is being applied to your selfie. Here you can see the result. So now you are done with your picture. As you click on this button on the right side of the screen, you can see the difference between the original and the filtered picture. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.